A very good morning, children. Welcome back to today's session. Class 3 Science subject session 26. As we are continuing, as we have finished our chapter, now take the textbook, page number 226. We are having multiple choice questions. Follow the clues and find the name of the bird. So bits we are having. Take a pencil, everyone. Take the textbook. So before that we are having recall session. No? Meanwhile, I will tell you the recall session. That is what we have learned in this chapter. Birds have wings which help them to fly. A bird's body is boat-shaped. These are the very important points that you have to learn in this chapter. The bones of a bird are thin and hollow. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. There are three kinds of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. A bird uses its beak to pick up the food, crack or tear it into small pieces. Birds have different kinds of beaks which are suited to their food habits. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop, swim, climb, and perch, and also to protect themselves. Some birds use their feet and claws to catch, hold, and eat food. Birds build nests to live in. They lay eggs in them. The nest keep birds safe from bad weather and enemies. These are the things that we have learned in this chapter so far. Now, multiple choice questions. First one. One of these does not use its wings to fly. So one of these does not use its wings to fly. Here they have given some birds, no? Parrot they have given, and the ostrich they have given, and one more like eagle. So which does not fly here? The first one is C. Ostrich cannot fly. Second one of these cannot fly high. Here they are having wings but they cannot use. That is C. Ostrich. Second one, peacock, woodpecker, and sparrow they have given. Which will fly high? Ekkuva ఏ వేగరలేదు. So the answer is A. Peacock cannot fly high. Next, these feathers are soft, fluffy, and keep the body warm. They have given here all the body feathers, no? So here the answer is B. Down feathers keep body warm. Next, they have given the claws. These are the claws of an eagle. ఈ మూడిట్లో eagle claws ఏవి? C. C is the eagle claws. Next, this bird makes a nest with pebbles. They have given the penguin, tailor bird, and the weaver bird. So which one will make nest with the pebbles? A. Penguin will make the nest with pebbles. Okay. Second bit they have given. Third bit. I use my beak to weave leaves, twigs, and grass to make a beautiful nest. Which bird will do like this? Weaver bird. Right. Weaver bird. Second one. I have a broad and flat beak. Duck. Duck is having broad and flat beak. Next, I make holes in the tree trunk. Woodpecker. Woodpecker will make the holes in the tree trunk. Fourth one. I like to eat nuts and fruits. Parrot. Parrot like to eat fruits and nuts. I live in very cold places. Penguin. Once again, I am repeating ma. I use my beak to weave leaves, twigs, and grass to make beautiful nest is weaver bird. I have a broad and flat beak. Duck. I make holes in the tree trunks. Woodpecker. Fourth one, I like to eat nuts and fruits. Parrot. I live in very cold places. That is penguin. Write neatly. Next, again we'll go to fourth bit. Fill in the blanks. Walking through water by birds is called dash. Walking through water. Walking through water by birds is called wading. W-A-D-I-N-G. Second one. Holding on to the branch of a tree with toes by birds is called perching. ఆ టోస్ తోని బ్రాంచెస్ కొమ్మల్ని పట్టుకుంటాయి కదా, దాన్ని పర్చింగ్ అంటారు. The sharp claws of a bird బర్డ్స్ యొక్క క్లాస్ షార్ప్ గా ఉంటాయి, వాటిని ఏమంటారు? టాలోన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ బర్డ్స్ హ్యావ్ డాష్ ఫీట్. ఆల్ వాటర్ బర్డ్స్ హ్యావ్ డాష్ ఫీట్. వాటర్ బర్డ్స్ కి ఏముంటుంది? వెబ్డ్ ఫీట్. WEBBED, webbed feet. Next, eagles and hawks are called dash birds, praying birds. Write this one also, completed in the textbook, 4th bit. Now bit number 5. Match the bird's head with its body. So the first one is eagle's body. So here the eagle is there. Just draw a line to the eagle. Next one, duck's body. Next one is sparrow's body. Next, this is parrot body. This is crow's body. So like this you have to draw the lines and you have to match it. Take a pencil and draw and learn how to match the bird's head with its body. Easily you can identify the parrot, right? First you have to do the parrot, then it will be easy for you. And eagle is also easy. First if you do these two, remaining will be easy for you. Sparrow, crow, duck. Now next, circle the odd one out. Kiwi, crow and emu. You have to underline the emu because kiwi and crow can fly, emu cannot fly. Next, peacock, hen and dove. Hen and doves both are same kind. Peacock and hen are both cannot fly, and dove can fly. So you have to underline dove. Woodpecker, eagle, vulture. Eagle, vulture will eat the animals. They'll kill other animals and they'll eat. Woodpecker is not like that. So underline woodpecker. Next, eagle, duck, goose. Eagle will kill other animals and it will eat, so eagle. Next, heron, crane, woodpecker. Heron and crane are water birds. Woodpecker is not water bird. So again here you have to underline the woodpecker. Next, yes or no. The body feathers help a bird to fly. Yes. A bird has no teeth. Yes. Crane is a water bird. Yes. A kingfisher eats fish. Yes. An ostrich cannot fly. Yes. By this today we have finished the bit paper. Tomorrow we will be writing the question and answers. And your homework is for today bit number 3. Bit number 3 and bit number 4. Write one time neatly. Write bit number 3 and bit number 4. Write one time neatly from page number 226 and 227. Bit number 3 and bit number 4. Learn and write one time neatly and send me. While sending, please mention your name. This is all for now today, children. Thank you.